morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, December 23rd. Hope you guys have some great upcoming holiday plans and Merry Christmas to you all. Today will be the last day this week for reports, as the markets will be closed tomorrow and Friday due to Christmas. We do got a lot of data that would normally be brought out on Thursday and Friday, all compounded into today's economic report. So, as you can see by the long list here, I highlighted the ones that are more impactful, as we can see here. So, the first one is our inflation data. We got the core PCE inflation year over year, and what this is the real inflation that the Fed looks at when they determine rate hikes and rate cuts. The Fed likes around 2%. They did change that wording to a weighted average of 2.5%. So this kind of gives you an idea of where we are currently in that cycle. So the last report in October was at 1.4% year over year. Forecast is coming for a little bit of increase to 1.5%. However, it remained unchanged at 1.4%. We got the jobless claims. Last week's report came in at 885,000 people applying for first-time benefits. It was actually revised higher to 892,000. And forecasts come for 885,000. And only 803,000 people applied. So this is obviously better news, or at least some decent news compared to what we'll see ahead here. And if you look at the continued claims, even though I didn't highlight it, you can see the gist of it, that it's actually dropped. So fewer people are staying on unemployment here, which is good news. We also got durable goods for the month of November. So in October, we had a 1.3% increase for the durable goods. However, that was revised higher to 1.8%. Forecast for the month of November is calling for a 0.6% increase, and it actually came in at 0.9%. So decent numbers there. However, this is where things kind of get a little bit more sour. We got new home sales for the month of November. We had October, 999,000 new home sales annualized units, and actually it was decreased for the revised lower down to 945,000. Forecasts were calling for 995,000 for the month of November, and it came in much lower, 841,000. So we see a big drop there. And the consumers are seeing it, as we saw with the consumer comments earlier this week. The survey by University of Michigan has the consumer sentiment here. Its November reading came at 81.4. Forecasts were at 81.3, and it dropped down to 80.7. So people aren't feeling as rosy as before. So as we kind of see the different movements in the economy here. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are up. They are taking the economic data in stride. But the big one actually for today that's really kind of boosting stocks is there's reports coming out of Europe that the UK and the EU have come to an agreement. We haven't heard any details as of yet, but it sounds like an agreement has been reached, and this is kind of boosting the markets right now. Now, an update on the stimulus and government funding bill. As we mentioned yesterday, the Congress had finally came to an agreement on a bill and put it to President Trump's desk. However, he's threatening to not sign this bill, primarily because what the media is not reporting on this bill is that it's also full of a lot of money going to over other countries. So, unfortunately, there's his point of signing the bill is bringing money to the people and helping the American businesses, not sending money overseas to aiding other countries here. This is a bill that was supposed to help American people. So he had stated, and of course the media is not reporting it, is he wants those wiped out and increase the money coming to the American people. So instead of $600, increase it like $2,000. I think he just used I don't know if he used a random number or what, but he felt that money should be, instead of giving the American people scraps, they should be giving the money to American people versus sending money outside the country to other countries. And that's kind of where that is. Unfortunately, the media doesn't report that. They're just simply saying he's refusing to sign it and maybe raise the American peoples. So in any case, this is kind of what's coming out. Those 6,000 pages, they were, if you look inside it, it was buried inside there, so that way people wouldn't notice and try to get quick passing through the Congress. Let's jump ahead to see how this is playing out in bonds. Bonds are down quite a bit today. It's taken a bit of beating because of the Brexit. We're down 17 basis points from where we left off yesterday, and we are now testing the 50-day moving average as a result of that. So mortgage rates will worsen a bit today after an improvement yesterday. We're, as you can see, we're even lower than we were for quite some time here. Yields. We're jumping and testing its technical level. We're on a possibility of getting up back up to 1% here. We're at just under 0.97 right now and testing this technical level. We'll have to see if we can, if that's going to hold or if it's going to play out. So again, the day's kind of long. The threat of a stimulus bill could, eventually get back into the minds of the traders. However, it is pretty thin trading today due to a lot of the hedge fund guys go out of and have already started their holiday vacations and stuff. So we'll kind of see that probably through end of the year until beginning of the next year, and we'll have to wait and see. So hopefully you guys have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys next Monday. If you guys are looking to refinance or purchase, please reach out. You can direct a message to me. Is the best way at this point to reach out to me. A little bit about myself. I am a loan officer, and I do help out a lot of customers with their refinances, whether if you're looking to get a lower interest rate, if you're looking to go from a 30-year to a 15-year loan, or if you want to take money out of the equity of your property for special things, to getting that pre-approval to make offers on properties and financing. I can help you out with all of that. So again, please feel free to reach out. Best way at this point, just direct message to me. We'll connect and go from there. You guys have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll look forward to see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.